What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C when we back at it with another slight video, man. Look, in today's video, y'all, all right, we're gonna be taking delivery, right, of our 2018 Jeep Compass, man. This thing only had 14,000 miles, y'all. I just want a Jeep just to be flexible, right? Whether it's in the winter time, you know, whether I put it on TURO, which I just did, you know, we literally just now finished dropping off a renter right now. Shout out to my guy Todd, first one to actually book the Jeep, all right? So we just now finished dropping off a renter. My boy Todd finna head back to Missouri. All right, so I'm gonna just give y'all a car review, I guess, on the 2018 Jeep Compass, man. This thing loaded, got the big panoramic sunroof, man, as y'all see up top right here. Big Tesla sunroof, man. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this, y'all. Like, man, this is the third car. This is my third car, you know, technically fourth, but this is my third car I have in my possession, right? So yeah, man, look, I'm just trying to run it up. Y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. I'm gonna show y'all some footage, I guess, you know, of my guy Todd. We at the airport right now. So yeah, I just got the car from him and everything. So hey, man, your boy making money. Y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, baby. Let's get to it, man. Hey. So yeah, dropping them off, man. First Cherokee rental, or first Jeep. There we go. Well, all right, Todd, man. Well, hey, man, I mean, it's definitely nice meeting you, brother, for sure, man.
Thanks, dude.
Thank you for everything. No problem, brother.
If I come back to Colorado Springs soon, I'll see if you're on TURO.
Come on, man. Of course. Definitely. All right, brother, man. Have like a safe flight, man, for real, brother. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. No problem, brother. So as y'all see, man, just now dropped my guy Todd off, man. You know, he finna head back to Kansas City. You know, like I said, y'all, TURO, man, definitely on the move, y'all. Definitely on the move, bro. It's my guy. So yeah, you'll see me, man. I'm in a uniform. Hold on, copyright Justin Bieber. You got too much money, man. Yeah, just got back in the Jeep, y'all. I will give y'all a review of the Jeep. So yeah, stay tuned, man. Boy, making bread out here, man. Let's get to it. All right, CEEFAM. So before we even get into the new, well, used 2018 Jeep Compass, man, limited edition 4x4, right? Before we even hop into that, y'all, man, I just want to talk to y'all about some real stuff. All right. Lately, y'all, there's been people, man, that's been all in my comments, right, talking that talk. Oh man, you know, counting my pockets, man. See, Will, you can't afford this, or see, Will, you made bad financial choices. Yo, I think I'm doing pretty good. I mean, I don't think the banks would approve me for this. I don't think the banks would approve me for this. And lastly, I don't think the banks would approve me for this. Oh yeah, we also got a fourth car in Hawaii, right, that, you know, the mother of my child drive, right? So yo, I don't think I'd get approved for 4 cars, right, if I didn't have good credit, or if I couldn't afford it. All right, people gonna say, oh, you can't afford this one because you put it on TURO. Yo, I've had, man, so many cars. Oh, you can't afford this one because you put it on TURO. Yo, I'm an entrepreneur, right? I make money. This is what I do. All right, y'all, like, all y'all gotta do is sit back and enjoy the videos. I don't have to prove nothing to my newest subscriber or to my oldest subscriber. All right, all y'all gotta do is sit back and enjoy the videos, man. All y'all that's gonna try to count my pockets, y'all gonna get lost. I'm telling y'all gonna get lost trying to count my pockets. All right, worry about y'all. Anything I do, I don't do the flex on y'all. I don't do the stun on y'all. I don't do it to like belittle y'all, right? Anything I do, y'all, is for motivational purposes, and motivational purposes only, man. I'm really a humble dude. I don't like whenever people try to get into my business, y'all. You know, we can talk on Instagram in my DMs. Look, how I do this, how I do that. That's fine. But the minute y'all start trying to come in my comments and, oh, I watch you make bad financial choice. Yo, I think I'm doing good, right? There's nobody in the world that can tell me more about my finances than my personal bank. All right, if the banks didn't think I could afford this one, then guess what? I don't think they would approve me. Point blank, period. Credit can only take you like so far, y'all, right? They go off of what? Debt to income ratio, all right? Oh, you just an E6 with little time in service. Don't worry about me. If you think the Army is my only source of income, you wrong. All right, like I said, you're gonna get lost trying to count my pockets, right? And yeah, you need to worry about you. Don't worry about me and how successful I am, right? Don't worry about me. All right, and that's just me, look, popping my stuff, man, because people like to think they know my finances better than the bank know it, or, you know, so I guess we got bank tellers in here, or credit advisors, or, you know, some of my subscribers think they can just say whatever they want. But that's it, y'all. I'm just addressing that because people really be having me messed up, man. So as y'all can see, y'all, we have our 2018 Jeep Compass limited edition, y'all. All right, I wanted to get a jump on the actual snow. All right, that's pretty much why I got this car, y'all. Man, this thing is clean too, bro. Good little back seat. you know, not much room back there, but these seats right here obviously come down, you know, pretty smooth, man. Let y'all see the back of this thing. Y'all see that 4x4 limited edition thing, man. Let me goddamn hop in this thing. Oh, but yeah, as y'all can see, we just now got off of a TURO booking, you know. So basically, I'm not saying TURO is gonna pay for this, y'all, but you know, if TURO can pay for it, then cool. You know, I'm pretty sure I'll make at least half of the car payment every single month on TURO. You can drive a Jeep, y'all, in any kind of weather, right? So that's pretty much why I got the 4x4, all right? Because you got auto, which is like times right now, you know, it's nice out here. Then you got snow, and you got sand, and you got mud, y'all, right? So we can drive this car any type of weather, right? I think this car is gonna always be booked. Other people gonna drive it more than me. So yeah, man, we also got the sunroof, man. The sunroof goes stupid in here too. Hold on, boy. Big Tesla move, man. This thing go all the way back too, y'all. Let me hold up. Look at this, boy. You know, sunroof go all the way back. Let me do the other one too, just in case y'all thought it was what it was, or it wasn't what it wasn't, you know. Yeah, this thing goes stupid McNoopid, y'all. Big Tesla sunroof, man. This thing go crazy, y'all. You know, Apple CarPlay, all that stuff, y'all, right? It's standard. You know, phone. It comes with navigation too, all right? So boom, like I said, y'all, this is the limited edition, man. 4x4. I love it, y'all. Smooth drive. You know, got the Jeep on the seats, man. Yeah, this thing is crazy, y'all. Comfortable leg room, man. You know, yeah, like I said, this thing is gonna always be booked on TURO. We only have 14,000 miles, man, on a 2018, right? So this car was basically a steal. I definitely had to get it. Initially, y'all, I really wanted a Grand Cherokee, but they was charging an arm and a leg for the Grand Cherokees, y'all, and I ain't got that kind of money. I'll probably make a video on like how much I got this car for and blah, 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 y'all. So look, this car right here was no money down too. You know, basically just off of credit. And you know, debt to income ratio. I know y'all gonna say, oh man, you in so much debt, you do. Yo, let me live my life the way I want to live it, man. Like I said, you know, I got 3 cars over here physically, right? Other one is in Hawaii. Cool, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, look, we blessed, man. I'm blessed, y'all. Like I said, I don't do anything to belittle y'all. I don't do anything to stunt. I don't believe in that. I'm too real of a person for that. You know, y'all probably know me as SeaWorld23 Vlogs, but you know, look, I'm Corey. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, my name is Corey, man. And I know the person I am. I know the kind of hustler I am, right, y'all? Like, I don't think life is that bad. You know, have my own apartment. I get it. It's not a house, right? But doing well for myself, y'all. I'm doing all this stuff, man. You know, it's not only for me. It's to really show y'all, like, I come from Louisiana. I know the struggle. You know, now I'm in Colorado. I've been to Hawaii. I've been to Germany. So, yeah, I'm just living, man. Jeez, but yeah, I just want to give y'all another look at this thing right here, because this thing is beautiful, man. This thing right here is so beautiful, y'all. Jesus Christ. So I really got everything now, man. I don't think I'm gonna go for a 4th car yet. Like I said, yet. You know, I'm still building myself up, man. I'm still doing stuff, you know. So 1, 2, and 3, man. Sheesh. I'm blessed, y'all. Comment down below, man. What do y'all think about this Jeep, man? Like I said, the back seats can go down if I so choose to have them go down. Let me show y'all a little something right quick, man. You know, back seats, you know, boom, definitely come down, man. A whole lot of space back there. You can sleep back there if you want to. I wouldn't advise it, right? But yeah, you can sleep in the back. You know, we got the little plugs and stuff in the back, right? We got the vents in the back. Yeah, this thing is smooth, y'all. Look at this. Shee, smooth, man. I love it, bro. It's my first Jeep. Not gonna be my last Jeep though, man. I'm telling you, I really want a Jeep Wrangler or a Jeep Cherokee, Grand Cherokee. You know, yeah, big dog. But yeah, man, look, I appreciate y'all for stopping into the video. Just wanted to give y'all a little light slight car review of the Jeep, man. You know, taking delivery of the Jeep. Also, we got this thing over here looking, you know, a little dirty. It is what it is. My baby just be sitting around though. This car don't really get too much action no more. Yeah, man, I don't want my channel just to be focused primarily on this. I want to take y'all through my journey of life, man. Like how I'm doing this, put my cars on TURO, how much I'm making extra on TURO, like, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, look, we bless y'all. Appreciate y'all for stopping in. For real, man. Might take this car back to work. Hey, which car is y'all favorite? Y'all like the Jeep, I feel like the Jeep is more practical. You can drive it in any weather, anytime. It's a comfortable ride. Good miles per gallon on the Jeep Compass too. Good miles per gallon. Y'all like the Dart? I think the Dart is a good daily driver for sure. Or, I mean, most of y'all gonna say the Red Eye, but comment down below, man. I'd rather take the damn Jeep. So yeah, that's crazy whenever you got choices in life. You got choices which car to drive. It's a blessing, man. Blessing, right? But look, thank y'all for stopping in, baby. All right, y'all, so look, that will conclude today's video, man. I definitely do appreciate everybody that's came into the building, look, showing support nonstop, man, in the comments or whatever, right? But of course, we are gonna have, you know, those people that's gonna come in the comments, that's gonna hate, that's gonna doubt you, that's gonna say, oh, you can't afford this, oh, blah, blah, blah. Just come in the comments clout chasing, bro. Like, I don't understand. Look, it be your own people sometimes too. It be your own people talking down on you, trying to, you know what I'm saying? People hate whenever they see another person, let alone another young black man being successful. People don't like that, y'all. For whatever reason, I don't know why, y'all, but people don't like that. So it make them feel some type of way. But like I said, y'all, look, for the people that support me, for the people that rock with me, I definitely do appreciate y'all 110%. For the people that don't like me for whatever reason, because, man, I've shown y'all a lot. I've given y'all a lot of game, put y'all on, right? I did nothing but motivate y'all. I never belittled y'all. I never did nothing like that. For the people that don't like me for whatever reason, keep watching my videos, man. I'm not even gonna block you. Keep watching me, because the more you watch me, the more you doubt me, the more I'm gonna thrive, the more I'm gonna progress. So yeah, look, that's all I gotta say, man. Look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment down below, y'all. What do y'all think about the Jeep? You know, I think it was a good buy, being at 2018, 14,000 miles. That's like a steal to me. The winter's about to creep up in Colorado, so the Charger might be sitting, maybe. All right, so yeah, look, I definitely do appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart, man. Keep supporting, keep showing love, y'all. We're almost at 7,000 subs. So yeah, look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, baby. It's your boy C Will, and I'll holla at y'all in the next one.